Hi friends, now we are going to see baby food for 6 months and above for weight gain of the baby. First we have to add 3 spoons of urad dal and 2 badams, 2 cashews and 2 dates de-seeded. We have to soak it for around half an hour. Then we have to transfer it to the mixer grinder and we have to grind it. Now in a pan we have to add 1 spoon of ghee and then we have to pour the grinded mixture and then we have to boil for around 5 minutes. After that the food is ready for the baby to have it. It helps in weight gain of the baby. It's good for bone strengthening. Now our baby food is ready. Thank you.